What up, YouTube? It's your boy Never Summer 417. I got another Zippo trick for you. This will be number 8. This one's kind of hard, kind of easy. But it takes a lot of practice to get this down. It does not involve lighting it, I will say that. So you definitely can practice this with an empty lighter. Here it is. Okay. I'm not doing anything else but with my thumb, okay? Can even do it backwards. And that's how you do it. It's hard to explain. It takes some time to do this. I learned it off the bat really easy. I don't know how it worked like that, but basically what you do is you're gonna grab it. There we go. You really just need those two fingers right there, your middle and your ring. Your pinky kind of curls under just for, like, comfort or whatever. Ring finger, or excuse me, pointer finger kind of sticks out like a gun, but it's not, so don't shoot anybody. You're gonna take your thumb, you're gonna put it on top. Here, I'll try and, you're gonna put it on top, and then you're just gonna, I'll try and get this for you guys. And then you're gonna move it back. Okay, you see how that kind of opens it? It's friction. I just spit on my laptop. Anyway, it's friction that it helps that work. Okay, all I'm doing is moving it back. Sometimes it doesn't work for me either, but you know what? That's okay. So if you guys just try that, hopefully it'll work for you guys. Here you go, one more time, slow motion. Sometimes my lighter gets stuck, but now my thumb is cramping up. But that's how you do it, guys. I'll see if I can't do any more videos. Deuces, guys.